So this is the second bag that I have ordered. Wow, yeah, I like it. So I thought, let's be a responsible adult. My notebook, which I DIY'd by the way. So yes, I am that girl जिसके पास सारी medicines होंगी. Yeah, when I am excited about this, I know that I have become an adult. Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, hi, my name is Anvi and I make videos straight to fashion, lifestyle, DIY vlogs, all the good stuff. So please subscribe to my channel if you're interested. This is actually take 2 of me trying to unbox my new office bag. I'll show you the first one. Look what came in the mail. It's my new office bag. So if you guys watched my previous video, you know that I began office and I need a new bag for it. So I got it from Daily Objects because itni ad aati hai Daily Object ki, and I've never bought it because I thought I don't need it, but I was like, this is the time that I've been waiting for and I need it. So here it is. Let me unbox it with you guys. Are you ready? So the first one didn't work out because bag में zipper वगैरह नहीं थी और it was just not the bag that I wanted. It wasn't the vibe, size भी थोड़ा off समझ नहीं आया. So this is the second bag that I have ordered, which we are going to unbox now, and then we are going to set up my new office bag. अगर तुम्हें background में आवाज़ें आ रही हो तो it is my dog and we cannot do anything about it. This bag is from Maisha, which is an Instagram brand, and they make really cute bags. I've been following them for a long time और मुझे कब से उनसे कुछ order करना था, मुझे हमेशा मौका ही नहीं मिलता था. So I thought this is the time. Let's do it. Let's order from them and let's unbox. I will put the link of their website in the description in case you guys want to check it out. Wow, that is some great packaging. Oh, I love when there are cards. Oh, hey, here's a message for you. Thank you. With the smallest children in front of you, love and support. We hope this package full of love brings joy to your life. We're happy to see your picture with the products on Instagram. We have it in a tote bag. Wow, so I also have a tote bag. This is not the bag, guys. It's covering it. This is the bag. Oh my god, wow. It's like really good, really sturdy quality. And it has 3 zipper pockets in it, which is a lot of space and exactly what I need. Oh, and it also has a back pocket. Wow, yeah, I like it. Let me wear it. Looking cute. I like it. So this is also kind of like a what's in my bag for office / office essentials, and I'm going to show you some other things that I bought specifically for office. So let's get started. पहले bag setup ही कर लेते हैं, and in the process I'll show you all the things that I have. So this is the bag that I was previously taking, which was also my college bag, and we are going to begin. First things first, laptop. I got these cutesy stickers. कैसे है सीधा? हाँ. I got these cutesy stickers for my laptop. I love it. I got it from a cafe in Ahmedabad. I think the laptop is gonna go in the biggest pocket. Hope it fits, and it does. It fits very well, very snugly. Okay, now that we have the laptop, we will put the other essential, which is my wire bag. It looks like a makeup bag, but it's actually a bag for all of my wires and chargers, and I was just so done with just dumping all the wires in my bag and then coming out with a good chunk of wires and having to untangle it. So I thought, let's be a responsible adult, and I got this from Amazon. All the links will be in the description. This is what it looks like. तो यहाँ पे सारी छोटी मोटी wires हैं, earphones है, and this has my power bank, my mouse and my phone charger, sorry, laptop charger in it. Let's see if this can fit in my bag. And it does fit in my bag. This is all for the big pocket. Let's start with the chotu pocket now. We will put 2 notebooks. First, I take this book with me every day to read in the train. To read in the metro because मैं बहुत बोर जाती हूँ metro में. So I read this book called Manifest, and I kid you not, guys, highly recommend this book. It really helps with like positive thinking and visualization, manifestation, overcoming self-doubt and all those things. I really love it. So yeah, basically मेरा फंडा है कि अगर मैं metro में रोज 2 पेज भी पढ़ लूँ, so it's enough. So take this book with me. Then my notebook, which I DIY'd, by the way. So this was the notebook that I got at my YouTube creators event in December. तो यहाँ पे YouTube का logo था, तो उसको cover करने के लिए I have put these stickers, and if you read them clearly, it says it's okay, you can do hard things, just breathe, make it happen. But first, coffee. I'm so proud of how I DIY'd this. And then we have my pouch with all of my pens and stuff in it. So I don't know how to focus. Yeah, I think I got this from like a local vendor here in Noida. Then we have an umbrella because it's barish season, and some wet wipes. Oh my god, it's already very heavy. Oh my god, I think it's the Moto charger thing that's making it heavy. I think I'm going to take this out for now because ये बहुत जगह ले रहा है. So then there are chutputs. So if you don't know, I am a medicine girly. Yes, I am that girl जिसके पास सारी medicine होगी जो भी तुम मांगो. So I have loads of medicines in my bag. Then we have a hand cream, Vaseline, mints, Orbit hand sanitizer. Okay, let me take this one first. And my Dot & Key lip balm, because on most days I would forget to put a lipstick when I go out of the house, so need. And some soap. This is also very cute, by the way. I got it a long time back from Amazon. So these are paper soaps, and they're so useful in places where you don't find a soap. Then my wallet of course, with my precious metro card, जिसके बिना मैं ऑफिस नहीं जा सकती. This is wallet from Pull & Bear, which I got from Portugal. Then we have this Chotu hair brush, also got it from Portugal, and it has been an essential for me. मेरे हर बैग में तुम्हें ये brush मिलेगा, because just look at it. It's so convenient and it's so sturdy and it's so just good quality. I love it. We have another lipstick because, as I said, I forget lip products. And I just realized we have a Tutawa clip. Oh my god, I don't know when this broke. Anyways, a not Tutawa clip. Then I had these 2 keychains on my previous bag. One is this unicorn keychain, very cute, and the other one is an A keychain, again very cute. I'm going to use the A one because it goes better with the aesthetic of this bag. मैंने अभी tag नहीं हटाया, but tag हटा दो, but it's so cute. Okay, I think my bag is all set. मैंने अभी ये निकाल दिया है इसमें से क्योंकि बहुत जगह ले रहा था इस बैग में, तो मैं इसमें से कुछ वायर्स वगैरह कम करूँगी और फिर इसको बैग में रखूँगी. But till then, this bag is all set. Another thing I want to show you guys is a new lunchbox that I got for office, which is this one from Borosil. And I had another one before this, and उसमें खाना ठंडा हो जाता था. And then I got to know कि ऐसा एक lunch box है Borosil का जिसमें खाना 8 घंटे तक गर्म रहता है. And I've only tried this once, but it is definitely better than the other ones. It's extremely complex. This one ढक्कन. Then first of all, with the choti chammach. Yeah, when I'm excited about this, I know that I have become an adult. And then we have this another dhakkan, which is I think what keeps the food warm, and then we have 3 dabbas inside. And I think with this we end the video. My bag is all set. I'm very happy. I have been trying to find a bag since the day I joined office, and my indecisive ass could not decide on one bag. But I've decided कर लिया, there's no going back. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Much more office content coming. Let me know if you want to see anything specific office related, and I'll leave that video for you guys. But yeah, if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye.